Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about one brand makeup tutorial using only Makeup Revolution products. So Makeup Revolution is one of my favorite brands because they serve really good quality stuff in such an affordable price. So I just love that brand so very much. And this look is kind of a nude look with really bold eyes. Like I tried to do this bronzed red eyes and I really love how it turned out. And with nude lips it looks really beautiful. So I just really love how this whole look turned out. And now without further ado, let's see how I created this makeup look using only Makeup Revolution products. So firstly, to prime my skin, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Aqua priming base. So it's just an hydrating primer but in a spray bottle. So you just have to spritz it all over your face and then pat it down into your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this primer and gives you a smooth base. Now next up, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F8 and I'm just applying a nice layer of this foundation all over my face. And then with the help of this brush which I got from Miniso, I'm blending all this out. Now I'm using this Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C7 and I'm applying it under my eyes just to brighten them up and also on the high points of my face like bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, center of my forehead, and I'm going to blend all this out using a damp beauty blender. So here I'm doing a little bit of cheating because I didn't have any compact powder from Makeup Revolution and that's why I'm using this compact powder from MAC. It's the Studio Fix compact powder in the shade NC35 and I'm just using it to just set the base. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Rose Kiss and I'm just gently applying it on my cheeks as well as a little bit on my nose. Now to highlight and to add the luminance to the high points of my face, I'm using this rainbow highlighter. It's a very good highlighter, I like it so very much and I'm applying it with the help of a small fan brush on the high points of my face. Now to warm up my face, I'm using this warm bronzer in the shade 02 from Makeup Revolution, of course. Now for the eye makeup, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. It's a really good palette with a hint of pinks, corals as well as neutral shades. And it's a very versatile palette with which you can create a lot of eye looks. So now firstly I'm using the mix of this black and this dark brown shade. And I'm just filling as well as shaping my brows with these two colors. Now again I'm using that same concealer, but this time I'm using it to clean up the area under my brows as well as to prime my eyelids. Now I'm using this coral shade and I'm just applying the shade on my crease area with the help of a small blending brush. And I'm just placing this shade as well as blending it out using that same brush. And to build up the intensity, just add more color to it and keep on blending as well as adding more color until you're happy with the intensity. Now I'm using this peach shade and I'm applying it all over my eyelid area. Now I'm using this dark brown shade and I'm applying this shade on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm applying this shade with this small dense blending brush just to create a little bit of depthness to the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm using this really nice and subtle nude shade and I'm applying it a little above my crease area or where that coral color ends, just to create a little bit of transition there. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution liquid eyeshadow. It's called Eye Glisten and it has foil eyeshadow on one end and the glitter liquid eyeshadow on the other end, and it's in the shade Desired. So I'm just using the foiled eyeshadow and I'm applying it on my eyelid area. Now I'm again using that dark brown shade and I'm applying it on my outer corner of my eyes just to blend the foiled eyeshadow in the outer corners as well as to intensify the outer corner area even more. And now I'm using this really pretty shimmery shade to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone area. Now I'm applying this coral shade throughout my lower lash line area just to warm it up. Now I'm using this dark brown shade to intensify the lower lash line even more. Now for the eyeliner, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner and I'm just applying a very simple and normal wing eyeliner. And now I've just added a pair of false lashes, and these falsies are from Pack because I've not been able to find any false lashes from Makeup Revolution, and that's why I've used the other brand false lashes. And now for the lipstick, I'm using this Makeup Revolution matte lip color in the shade Fling 125. And And now to fix up all this beautiful makeup, I'm using this makeup fixing spray from Makeup Revolution, and I'm just spritzing all over my face just to set this makeup. And yeah, that's it for this makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. All these Makeup Revolution products works really well. I love Makeup Revolution as a brand. They make really good stuff and really price worthy stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.